Okay, so this is the Tamiya TG10 Mark 1 Pro long suspension version. As you can see, it has quite a extensive list of hop-ups. If you want to see the full list, you can check out one of my other videos that I've done previously on this car. This video today is all about just doing a bench test on this FS12SW that I've just fitted to the car. For those interested, I'll just quickly run through the needle settings. So on the low speed needle, it is 1 1/4 turn out from fully closed, and on the high speed needle it's 1 1/2 turns out from fully closed. You just need to take care that when you screw these needles in that you don't force them closed, because you can do damage to the needle tips and the housings. So you just want to just very gently wind them in until they stop, and then wind them out. See, this FS12SW engine has been fitted with a Tamiya TM4 muffler, and it's running the kit supplied silicon pipe, but instead of running it through the rear bumper, I have a modified exhaust outlet, which will direct all of the gases and the fuel residue out the back of the car. What tends to happen when you run the silicon pipe into the rear bar here through this hole, as it suggests in the kit, all the fuel residue comes down the rear bar and ends up in these diff case screws, and then it goes up and it makes a real mess of the inside of the chassis. So this exhaust should help keep it nice and clean. So now I'm going to go ahead and get the car ready to fire up. Today I'll be using the Glomax CB 20% nitro. As you can see there, I'm starting to run a little bit low on fuel, so I'm going to have to take a trip up to the hobby shop and grab some more of that very soon. Okay, there you go. There's a bench test of the Tamiya FS12SW engine. It seems to run quite well. It's a responsive little motor. You can see that it's running quite rich, but it's a hell of an upgrade over the Tamiya FS12LT engine that came with the older generation kits. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you've got any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Be sure to check out my other Nitro RC content. I've got plenty of videos on here about TGXs and TG10s. You can also check out ko.rc on Instagram. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Cheers.